Now I will tell you how to book the luggage. You just put it your luggage here simply and scroll down here and look at this here screen. Screen are showing here the small box price hourly. Focus here in this price is hourly here. Small luggage is a 39 krona and big luggage where I am putting this my luggage is a 69 krona per hour. This is a different advanced differentiation here. So initially they take the price like a 69 krona. So now I just simply put it here my debit card, credit card like this. I pay here or Apple ID and then this is the lock. And you always carry your receipt, otherwise you can't open this the box. So I will show you here. So if you are receiving this receipt, so always put it here your number and then remove this box. It's it, simple. Now this is a luggage locker. I want to remove my luggage here. Around I am putting here 3 hours is completed. And how you pick your luggage? You always select language, which language you comfortable. So I comfortable for the English here, and I put it here my receipt number where I generate 4 5 3 4 6 7 9 8 7, and now here additional amount I need to pay. I already pay here 67 krona. I won't pay here, and just simply like this I pay here. And now this is open. So my luggage is open.